everything. Okay, now my Jamura is here. Let us do some magic tricks. Okay, then we will do mathematics. Here. Okay. Dice trick, huh? Okay, I will show you one. I will share my screen with them. Now I have been working with many ideas how to make our presentations better. Maybe you see and give me feedback if you like this idea. I am sharing my screen. I made a PPT presentation. Okay. Now you see. Yes, yes. I share screen. Yes, yes. Go ahead. Tell me. Go ahead. Okay, I am sharing the screen now. One minute, huh? Here. Okay, so here it is. The number 1. This is the. You can see the screen. Now, this is a game that we will. I have 3 times.
Sir?
Yes?
Sir, I wanted to tell you something.
Go ahead.
I know that atoms, when you rub something in the same direction, like a balloon on your lap, and take pieces of paper and crumble them up and make them into tiny pieces and put them, they stick to it because the electrons, when anything rubs, they lose off, and then when you touch something else, you get a shock because many electrons come very fastly to your body.
Yes, it is correct. You are very right. There are many experiments. You continue doing these experiments, continue drawing your hypothesis, and then continue building on it. This is great observation, correct. And we will talk about it later when we take up static electricity. Static electricity is a beautiful, fun thing. Does anybody know how electricity was invented? What?
Sir, no, sir. And static electricity, I was very curious.
No. The first
Sir, when I had taken a bottle and when I had shaked it, I saw all of the beads sticking to the bottle. So I asked my mother, why is it sticking to it? So she told that I will teach you about the static electricity. So that's how I learned about static electricity, and atoms are very smaller.
Yes, that's fine. You know, when man first observed electricity, it was in the form of static electricity only. The first observation was this static electricity. You are very right. We will take it up one day and we will do a lot of experiment with it. And earlier, electricity was not used for any use. It was only for fun and magic shows.
Yeah.
Can you believe this? Electricity was used.
I know from electricity.
What? Electricity for magic?
Yes. When electricity was first found by man, the people used to think there are 2 kinds of electricity. One is animal electricity. You know, animal electricity, like there is an eel, the fish that you touch and you get a shock. So that was the first introduction of man to electricity. They thought electricity is 2 kinds. One is animal electricity, one is created electricity. So when they decided to use electricity, they thought of replicating what animal electricity was. Then they slowly started making static electricity, and when they had accumulated charge they would put a jar, water, and they would keep depositing electricity in it. and then that jar
Sir,
would be
आपको
used
पता है?
as a battery.
सर आपको पता है कि सर आपको पता है कि जो
This is called Leyden jar.
एक है वॉन्डेग्राफ जनरेटर वो बनाता है वो शायद इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बनाता है बहुत सारी
Yes, yes. So this, if you want, you learn about Leyden jar. There is a something called Leyden jar.
It's a capacitor.
They store electricity in it, and then they would charge one person, and he would attract other things with the hand. They used to use it for magic. Then utility came much later. They were only used for
सर
magic.
आपको पता है सर मैं YouTube वीडियो देखी थी I saw a video on YouTube and the man charged himself with the Vonnegut generator. The man
We will
charged
talk about
himself
Vonnegut, of course.
generator and after touching the Vonnegut generator for a long time, he left it and he touched another person.
Okay,
Shocked.
good.
Everybody
So
got
now
electrical shock.
yeah,
Sir,
yeah, okay. Yeah, now
Sir,
we yes,
we had sir.
okay, yes.
I wanted to tell you that before they used to use grinders like stone grinders,
Yes.
and they were like very fun to do. When we had gone to Chitradurga, there we had seen many things which were made out of stone, and it was so nice to listen to them explaining about the area.
Yes, there are many things still. So this electricity, we will take it up later. There are a lot of fun things to learn, and many people get, interested in electricity because of it. Okay, so now we will do this math exercise.
So someday we should also talk
Yeah,
about
we will. One by one. Yes, we will do about that. We will take it up. Keep it away. Now you hold this. Okay. Now you see. Are you able to see the screen here?
Correct, I can see.
Okay. There is this exercise. So the exercise goes like this. We have 3 dices. Okay. I will not look at it. Oh, he will not look at it. I will not show him anything. You just stay away and I will give you the answer and then you tell us what is the answer. Are you okay with that?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Now, there are 3 dices. The how it goes is like this. You see it on, can you read it on the screen? Okay.
Yes, sir, I can.
Like Zamura is the assistant, huh? And Madari is the showman. So the eyes are closed. First dice one has to roll. So we say the first dice. Can you bring the red one?
I only have
Okay. The first dice you roll. Whatever is onto it, whatever shows up here. Suppose here, we will go. Okay. 1 and 1 minute. Okay. Here, the exercise is based on certain things. So here we see, we roll and I get this 5. Okay. I keep it away. You can write this on a piece of paper. Okay. One paper you write 5. Okay. And then this 5, because you are conducting it, but the magician doesn't know because he is blindfolded. Okay. You are rolling the dice. You know it is 5. The magician doesn't know it is 5. What magician says? Multiply. Now you see here on the screen, what is written? Multiply the number on the first dice by 2 and add 5. Okay. Now you come here. You show them this. Okay. I don't know whether it is 5 or not. I will just ask him, whatever is the number, multiply it with 2 and add 5. So you say it is 5 on the here. So you just multiply it with 2 and add 5. Another line. Like you see here.
10.
1 here. You see here on the screen.
wrote it small. You can
5 into
Compare.
uh,
you can
5
right
into
from
2,
here.
that's 10 in plus 5, that's 15.
Okay, yes, 15. So imagine that the number on the first disk is 5. So the result is 50. Okay. Now next. Now 15 is done. Now next dice is rolled. This one is rolled. And the result is say 1. Suppose just we are taking example now. When it is there, then you do this. 15 was the earlier result. Multiply that 15 by 1 minute. Where is the second dice? Here. Now you see it on the screen. The second dice is rolled. Then multiply the result in previous step, that is 15 by 5, and add to this. So 15 you multiply by 5 and add to this. How much it is? 15 was earlier step. You see here.
You can go right by this.
This one, 15 earlier
Wait.
step. Simply
You
multiply by 5. Earlier step. The first step.
So you multiply by 5 and you get 75, and then you add the number on the dice, second dice. So you get 76.
6, correct. Because why I am telling you, you will cook up your own dice numbers and do the same exercise. Okay. Now roll the third dice.
Okay.
This one. And imagine in the third dice, it comes 6.
Okay.
Then you do this. In the third dice is rolled. You see here, multiply the result by 10. The last result, multiply by 10 and add this. Last result was 76. So 760.
760.
Oh, sorry, you get 3. 763 here. This time it is 3. Here it is 3. 763. That is it.
So that
763.
becomes 763.
Correct. Now the blindfold is open and magician can see this number 763. Now he has to tell what was the number on the dice. Can somebody tell? Looking at 763, can you go back and tell what was the number on the
So
dice?
the first number was 5.
Divide the number by minus, subtract the number which is on the third dice and divide it by 10. अब वैसे वही repeat कर लेकिन उल्टा.
Okay. But you have seen the number, but magician has not seen the numbers. This is the problem. Numbers I gave you only to show you. Okay. Again, you see. Again, I will show you what the process is. You have the calculation. The first dice was rolled and the answer was 5. Okay. The first dice 5. So what you did, the magician has not seen it. You are telling him what is the case. So 5 you multiplied by 2 and add 5. You see on the screen here, multiply the number on the first dice and add 5. Add 5. 5 2s are 10 plus 5. This is the result of this. Next. Next screen, what you did, second dice was rolled. Multiply the result. Second dice we got 1. Magician is not able to see this. What you did, 15 in the previous step, you multiplied with 5 and added this. So 76 it became, right? In the third step, what you did here, you got 3 here. Just for the clarity, 3 here. So what we did, this up to here, whatever was the case, multiply by 10 and add the third. The result is 763. Okay. The magician will be able to tell you what is the answer instantly. 1, 2, 3. How? Look at the next screen, what it does. Here, simply deduct 250 from this number, whatever is displayed here. Deduct 250 and you will get this number. Your calculation showed 763, right? 763 was the result, minus 250.
Yes.
Just deduct 250 and you will have this number.
You can do this. There's my father or somebody like that.
Out of 763, simply minus 250, you will get this number. So what magician did? You will tell him what? 763. Magician will come, okay, jadoo this, jadoo that, and simply minus 250, this is the answer. No minus or anything. Simply 250 you minus. Now, can you try it with other numbers? You have 3 dices, try. Or don't take 3 dices. Imagine 3 numbers, right? Imagine any 3 numbers and do this calculation. And last minus 250, you will get your numbers. Try any 3 numbers. Like you say, suppose this. Now
Sir,
you have 3
any
numbers.
number we should minus 250, right, sir?
See, imagine now your dices are like this. Okay, 3, 4, 6. Magician doesn't see this. We have to tell them what is the number. 3. First step, what we did? See here. First step, multiply this number with 2 and add 5. How much it becomes? 3 2s are 6 plus 5, 11. Right? 11. 3.
So I got 6. So mine will be.
No. Let us do one thing. Let us stay one digit first. Then we will do another. Okay. So everybody does the same thing. So let us say I will twist it again, and we have this 546. The magician doesn't know. So 5 you multiply by 2 and add 5. How much it becomes? You see on the screen?
15.
The number on multiply the number on first and add 5. 15. So 15 is done. We will keep here. Now we have 15. Now this is 4. Next screen, what we do? 15 was the answer. 15, you multiply the result by 5 and add the number on the second list. 15 multiply 5 plus this. Do it. 15 multiply 5.
79.
79. Add here. Now you keep 79 with you. Now 79 is there. Third. Multiply the result by 10. That is 790 and 3. 793. You have 793 minus 250. Is it the same number? So we will tell the magician, our answer is 793. Magician will simply deduct 250 from it and you will get. Is it the same answer?
Yeah.
This is the. Imagine another 3 numbers. Now you say this. Suppose 1, 2, 3.
So the thing is, if it works with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it'll work with the dice.
It works with
Because
any dice.
only the dice has 6 numbers.
Yes, 6 numbers. So
And
suppose
those
this is
numbers
1, 2,
are
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, suppose this is the number now. Again, you want to do this exercise? 1, 2, 3. 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what we do with 1? Multiply this number by 2 and add 5.
It becomes 7.
7.
7.
7 you keep. Now next, you see the screen I am shifting, huh? Now second, 7 multiply 5 and add this. 7 5s are 35 and 2.
37.
37 you keep. 37, third screen. You are able to see the shifting screen?
Yes.
So can you keep it like, can you keep it 4 maybe?
We will do it. After this, we will do it again. 374. Now you have 374, right? Minus 250.
Can you show the previous screen? 123.
1 minute.
Sir,
Here.
can you please show the previous screen?
This one.
Yes, sir.
This is first dice. Okay, we will do it again. First dice is rolled, we get 1. So we multiply first dice by 2 and add 5. That is 2 plus 5, 7. Keep it. Now here. Second, 7, we multiply by 5 and add this. 7 5s are 35, 37. 374. 374 minus 250. Huh? Oh, number on the this 73, 373. Sorry. Do you get this number? 373
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
minus
Yes,
250.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now we shift again. 326. Can you do the same calculation with 326? 3.
Yes, sir.
Again we go to first screen. 3 multiply by the number 2 and add 5. 3 2s are 6 plus 5. Right? How much it will be? This multiply by 2 and add 5. 11 we keep here. 11. Next screen. Now we roll this and get how much? 2. So 11 multiply by, you see here, 5 and
Yeah.
add this. 55 plus 2.
57.
57. We are good. Now 570 plus
6. 576.
minus
sir.
250. Minus 250. How much it is? 320.
326.
Dices you roll. Now
Yes,
you are
sir.
the magician of the town. You go in the world. You will become great magician. People won't be able to figure out what this trick is. Can you figure out what this trick is? And there is no trick at all. Now take another number. Okay.
Sir, I always ask my father these questions, and my father will say, "What these questions? I didn't understand."
See, when he doesn't understand, then you both learn together, right? When
Yeah,
Shashwat asked me,
Explain.
when Shashwat asked me some question, you know what I will say? First thing I will say, I don't know. I don't know. Second thing, he says, can I go out? I say yes. He says, can I burn the whole house down? Say yes. Can I crash it on the floor? Yes. Everything is yes. But when he says, can you tell me how transistor works? I say, I don't know. This is how kids should get the answer. Now, what he will do? He will go look for the answer. If your father says he doesn't know, he is doing you a favor. Yes, beta. He is doing you a favor by not telling you the answer. So you learn yourself. You know, there are many kind of fathers. He say, you ask him one question, then you see kya musibat aati. He will grab you, sit you down for 3 hours and give you lecture for 3 hours. 3 hours he will not leave you. He will teach you algebra, geometry, what not. And you just ask him a humble question. कहाँ फंस गई मैं यार, इससे अच्छा पूछती ही नहीं, अच्छा रहता. So if he is not teaching you, he is doing you a favor. Do you want to do one more exercise? Then I will tell you how to get the answer. Should we go for this? 540. Okay, like this. Suppose these are the things. The magician has not seen it. Again, first number. You see, slowly, when you start doing it, you will know the answer. You see where it is going. Now, when you do the answer, think about place values. Okay, I'm giving you a clue. Start thinking about place values. See, when the magician is looking at it, whatever answer he comes, the first digit is 100th place. Second digit is 10th place. Last digit is unit place, right? Now you see how how we are making fool of people. Okay, take first dice. What I am asking you to do, multiply it with 2 and add 5. Multiply it with 2. How much it comes? 10. 10 plus 5, 15. And what is this number? 5. Okay, so you remember 15. Okay, first dice is done. Whatever is here, we multiplied by 2 and added 5. 15. Next, 15 is done. Now this one, 15 multiply by, you see the screen also? Last result was 15. 15 multiplied by 5.
90, sir.
Yes.
Multiply
By 5 and add the number on the second day. 15 5s are 75 and 4, 79. Right? 79. Now you see what he is asking. This will give you the clue how the whole thing is working. 79, you are multiplying by 100. Look, it is 100th place. Don't you get it? 790 and 2. Now 792 minus 250. How much it is? $542.
So all we're doing is we're just like we're adding just say we take the number as 322.
Yes.
322. What we are doing is adding 250 minus 250 maybe.
Yes. So why we are deducting 250 will become clear. I will show you
But
the
all this
same
thing
screen.
looks like some random thing.
No, there is a
But there's the thing in it. All we are doing is we're trying to add 250.
yes, we are adding 250. That we are deducting later. Correct. This is one observation is very right. What he is saying is, Kabir, we are adding up the number, so it becomes 250. So we are deducting it later. It is only to confuse the viewers, right? Very right. This is right. But one thing you have not noticed, the place value is coming from this equation. Place value, 245. Last step, you see, multiply the result by 10 and add the third digit. That means you are raising it to 100th place, second, 10th place, and then unit place. There are two ways you can solve this problem, by empirically and by using algebra. Now you want to learn algebra or no?
Multiply the result.
Now is the key.
Yes, sir.
You want to stay where you are with this amazement, or you want to solve this? Amazement can stay with you. You can
Solve.
Yes, you can
want
amaze
solve?
anybody and you know the trick. But if you know algebra, then what you will do, you will say, you will make your own trick. You will say, take the first dice, whatever is it, multiply it with 2 and add 7. Here, in the first step, you see here, in the first step,
Then we'll have to minus 270.
I will tell you, you will figure out how the whole thing works. This is 240, 324 here, okay? Now we will do, instead of adding 5, we can add any other value also. This is just to confuse the people. Okay, now you see how the whole thing works and you will understand it. I will show you the camera. Okay, 1 minute, hold on please. I will shift it to the camera and you will be able to see it. I written a calculation there.
Stop the presentation, sir.
Yes, the 1 minute. I will show you the screen. We will explain to them because we don't want to confuse them. We don't want to amaze them. We want to teach them how it works.
Yes.
Can you bring the 3 dice, red and we don't have red one here. Okay.
I have
You have 3 dice. Imagine you have 3 dice. One is red. One is green and one is green.
I only have orange and red.
Okay? You have a red one. We will call it red, we will settle for it. Then green. And then you have a blue. A, B, C. See, because now things are changing. You know, the values are changing. Sometimes it comes 2, sometimes it comes 3. So in algebra is nothing, but we will call, you know, the change. So what we did, we made a fool of them by adding this 5. And Kavi caught it, huh? He is very right. 250 you are building and 250 you are taking out. The last 250 we took out. Because first we asked them to add 5, then we asked them to multiply by 5, then we asked them to multiply by 10, and at the end we take 250 out. Otherwise, this is what is happening. You are making it 100 times, you are making it 10 times, and you are doing here nothing. You see the third step? Only add C last. Only add C last. 10 times plus C. So this is what it's doing. Now, do you want to do something else other than 5? If we don't add 5, we add say 3. This slides I will upload, so you can play with this as much time you spend on it. You will immediately get it.
Yes.
But first stick to 5, and then once you do 3, 4 times, you see what I am doing. Red, I am every time multiplying with 2. Every time result is being multiplied by 5. Every time it is going 10 by 10, 100 place, every time. Green, first step, we are not doing anything with second slide. Second slide is going up 10 times straight away. That's all. Last dice, we don't do anything. So it is 100, 10 and unit. Now you know the key. 100, 10 and unit. That's all. So this is the key. And last step, this 250, I have already told you. Whatever is in the place of 5, it has to be multiplied by 5 and
the next
50 times. Yes, 50 times. You take 3 in place of it and deduct 150 later. Yes. So it is a very complex game. Don't blame yourself if you are not able to figure out clearly. It is not a simple game. People will say, what you are doing teaching small kids this game. But once the mind gets, to understand complex problems, then other problems will even look easier for you. It is a complex problem. It is called punching way above your weight. This equation, if I explain to a 10th standard, he would also not understand. So don't blame yourself if you don't understand it. But spend some time with it. Make 5 exercises. 5. And you would say, oh my goodness, I know it all now. Make one by one and I will upload this here, okay? And if you have any questions or doubts, we will take later. Today, I was thinking of doing this 3-digit multiplication and all. Maybe we will do it in next session. In next session, there is another way of doing multiplication that I will teach you. That is your game. I don't care about that. I am not responsible. You will break it?
Yeah.
Okay. And make something during the week, and then we will meet. Okay? Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye.